So close there, but no turkeys on that side. So this now slides inside of there, just like that. Happy. Ding, 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 ding. Let me get this burr off though. Don't like catching my finger on that. Ta-da! Ooh. Yeah, that's about right. Oh, that's good, that's good. Just a little middle. There we go. Oh, I come out that well. And a little farther. Widen it out a bit. Yeah, I can jam that in. Need to cut that deep. Two. Relatively straight, that's nice. Good for change. Nice, we're going away from the cut. Do a little testy test. Nice. So that one works. I have to move right when I change. Going down. I think I need some more total boat here. Just about out. That should be enough. Close it up. Okay, and this one. Yeah, I put too much in there. Oh well, we'll clean it off later. I'm not going to clean it off, am I? Oh well, we're going to clean it off later. Like that. Okay. And then just a drop. And a drop. I love the smell of walnut in the morning. That. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty. So there you have it. A screwdriver for your chip breaker screw. This is a fun one, and I had a ball making this. It's something that's kind of simple. Do you need it? No, but it does make it a lot easier just to fit it on there, and it pops in place, and you can drive your screw. It is something that allows you to limit how much torque you put on it because it's smaller, so you're not going to be over cranking it, and you always know how much force you've put into it. And if you'd like to see more detail on it and how we actually go into this, I have a whole other channel called Wood by Wright How To. On that one, we spend a lot more time answering questions and detailing and actually teaching what's going on. So if you want to check out that, there's links to that down below. Also, if you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, snide remarks, throw those down below. Thank you, that helps out the channel. There are a bunch of people who just put comment down below. Helps us get in front of more people, helps the channel grow. That means more than I can say. And if you want to take it even farther, there are a bunch of names over here. Those are all patrons on Patreon. Between patrons and members here on the channel, you guys are the ones who support us and keep us going. Thank you. That means more than I can say. We have special perks for both, and I think that'll do it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. These are designed to go in very, very small cars. And the reason I know that is it's a screwdriver. You've never seen a screw passenger, have you?